Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Mailchimp. This is really useful when you want to control the spacing around your content blocks and create a more polished, professional-looking email campaign. Let's jump right in. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button and click it. This will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your email address and password. After filling in your credentials, go ahead and click Login to access your Mailchimp dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel where you'll find the Campaigns option. Click on Campaigns to view all your email campaigns. From the list that appears, locate and click on the specific campaign you want to edit. This will open up the campaign details and give you access to the design editor. Next, you'll need to click on the email itself within the campaign. Depending on your campaign setup, you might see an Edit Design button, or you'll simply open the content block you want to modify. Either way, clicking this will take you into the design editor where you can make changes to your email's layout and styling. In the design editor, click on the specific content block you want to adjust. This could be a text block, an image block, or any other element in your email. Selecting the block is important because it tells Mailchimp exactly which element you want to modify. Once the block is selected, look for the Style tab in the Editor panel. Click on it to open the block's style settings. This is where all the customization magic happens, and you'll find various options to control the appearance of your selected block. Within the style settings, locate the padding or margin controls. These are typically labeled clearly as padding or margin and allow you to control the spacing around your content. You'll see options for adjusting the top, bottom, left, and right spacing independently. Now comes the adjustment part. You can modify these values either by using sliders that appear on screen or by typing in specific pixel values directly. Play around with these numbers until you achieve the spacing that looks right for your design. Remember, even small adjustments can make a big difference in how professional your email appears. If you have multiple blocks in your email that need similar spacing adjustments, simply repeat this process for each one. Maintaining consistent spacing across different blocks helps create a cohesive, well-designed email that's pleasant to read. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the margins in your Mailchimp campaign, giving you precise control over your email's layout and spacing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.